Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I have a box opening of a doll that I got. Boy, I'm going to watch my hand there. That I got I wasn't a buyer, but when I saw her, I couldn't believe the price. And I went ahead and put a low bid in, and no one else bid. I got this doll for less than $39 delivered, and they paid $21.10 to ship it.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Well, they used quite a big box. I think they could have been a little more, could have done it a little different, but that's on them. Okay. Hope you love her. Please leave positive feedback. All right, let me get this out of your way. This is not a good cat box. We're not gonna use that. It's falling apart. Okay. It is another of the Tyler Wentworth collection. Why did I buy one and keep looking? Look at this face. These girls are still dressed from last Friday's collab with Karen at Starch and Stitches. It was actually Karen that bought a Tyler, and I went over and started looking at them, and I fell in love with this face structure. I just did. Uh-oh. Let me get her on her stand right, because I don't want her to fall. These are the basics. This is how we used to get a Barbie doll in the 1960s. Came in a box like this. Let's see. She has her official papers. I don't know what this is. Let's open it up and see. What the heck? Oh, I bet this is advertisement for other dolls. That's what we always used to get in the 60s. Oh, it's her story. Okay, she has a story, and it looks like, okay, no, that's just printed on. She's such a lovely doll. Just such, yeah, it just shows the different dolls. Madison Avenue Afternoon. Yeah, Barbie used to have this too. They'd show you all the Barbies and friends. All right, let me put this up and keep it for sure. And look who we have. If you saw, I just opened my other Tyler. She came in a box like this. She too was wearing this simple black swimsuit. Is her face bigger? Kind of looks like it. Doesn't it? No, same one.
Yeah, it's just the hair.
Yeah, same one. But I couldn't believe I got this doll so inexpensively. Here are her shoes, her black basic shoes. Her stand is here. Doesn't look like she ever used her stand or her towel or sunglasses. She probably won't hear either. The stand I want out though. How lovely is she? Like I said, $38. I think it was $38.10 I paid. Something to that effect. Less than $39. She bends at the knee. Her legs go up and down. Her arms just go back and forth, up and down. There's no ball joint in the shoulder. And her head moves all around. Now, unlike this girl, her ears are not pierced, but a drill or a tack can change that.
It looks like it kind of is. There's a little
dimple there is a little bitty hole there. Yeah, I think someone said they add those real light so that if you wanted to pierce them, you could, but if you didn't want them pierced, they didn't have to be. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. If you have not seen this collab from last Friday, you might want to watch it and go by Karen's channel too. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I ran out of gas. I've got what? What do you think that is, Deron? 20 by 20 foot?
Tiny.
Yeah. Out of how many acres do you think this side is?
I think it's about 5.5, maybe 6.
Okay. So we own all of this, plus, see the row of trees? That's a creek we own on the other side of that. If you can see the
second row of trees.
Yeah, the second row of trees is where our land is. You can see houses over there right now, but in the late spring, summer through fall, you don't even know they're there. You can hear Highway 70 from here right now, but in the summertime you can't hardly hear it. And our property goes back this way, and then where the goat is, it kind of, see the birdhouse? It goes this way from the birdhouse to the depot, which had the dog kennels, which the goats stay in. And then that's our backyard. And then this is our barn, and the fence line you can see there. So I mow 10 acres a week, and I ran out of gas, 20 by 20 piece to do. Well, I have to do the corral area. But then I'm done. I flooded it when he filled it.
And there's our pond.
Oh yeah, and there's our pump.